Grace Freedom Kwiyucwiny, Mati State Minister Maloy komalo ma Uganda, wadi meno lobo Uganda, kitika yopo jimi manok, maake Rwom Yaa, bagi chwade ichuk mibilobo. Pianne biachara man pole kitenyo kimon.
Wahio, wen maromene ma waromo, Rwom Yaa chel, ne bitien Yaa chel, waromo no maromene, dakle warom kami chwalo ne wahano, tie maromene.
For example, the market world is the world market is there. How much have we exported as Uganda? We put maybe a shop in each of these centers where all these women will sell. Just bring your product there. Somebody is employed to sell. At the end of the week or at the end of the month, you go and pick your money.
And to mon mokeni gutir na meno, dana magitika timu biachara kit me chato maka, gitika to tian yamat po tutwal ilobo Uganda.
We got some people cutting these trees. They get data from the Ministry of Agriculture. Once you arrest them, the order comes from above. Release the vehicles with the charcoal. And this is happening. This is happening. I'm happy that, Honorable Minister, you are here today. I hope all the time with the women are used to be there to listen to our cries as women.
And what you do meno kede bendigamente katiki chek mageo tongo tiandia dana mokeni gibino ki warga no gen go ake janga mete mamado kede bendigamente tika katiki chek mageo tongo tiandia.
2023, no trees will be cut down. You are here. These are supposed to be resolutions. Please. I don't know what the tree cutting the trees here. Trees is a taboo in Alug, but look at cut it down anytime. So I'm going to be happy if such what we are put down. I wish the journalists are here, going to put it in the air.
Sam Karohanga, la diet achel mo akibot dul me Uganda Export Promotion Board, wajani meno, welji ma ake Rwom Yaa. Makitika chwalo gi meachar ilobo mawako ke ilobo Uganda wa ke chente US dollar $100 unyo chente billion ariom dak peno ucher wai dollar million ario kolo ichuk me bilobo.
Now, when we started creating this awareness, we realized the enforcement alone cannot work. Tell people don't cut the tree, don't cut the tree. But try to show them the alternative. What are the other uses of the shea tree? What can it do? What can it bring to the people's pockets? What can it bring into households? In fact, I would appeal to the district leadership in this parish development model. Where is the shea pattern? That context, because we are seeing these monies going into at the level of the parishes. What are we doing?
Pilorangé muchwiny, Piwanluo TV, Igulu City, and Ismail Jacob Jones.